quick video here. I wanted to show what Thunderstorm. This one's really pouring rain here in my locality. I wanted to show what it looked like on radio band. I'm on the 2-meter ham band, and I'm off channel right now, just so I can show that I'm not picking up actually station, because this peak here is a distant station. But these pulses, this is electrical activity in the ionosphere. There you go. Now you can see it, how highly electrically charged it is. That's distant lightning activity. Probably cloud to cloud. I haven't heard any thunder or seen any lightning, but the storm's just really moving in. It's about 11 a.m. local time, and it's pouring outside. There it is. Now you can really see it. But I wanted to show it on my SDR so you can actually see what it does to the radio band. There it goes. It's actually pronounced enough to see it on the waterfall. Yeah, I'll move around a little bit here. Yeah, there's some pretty good chop right there. Yeah, and there it is on the waterfall. Strong enough to go that far across the band. Yeah, I looked at the radar. It looks like pretty much an all-day rainstorm, maybe most of the night here. And this is a good county away yet. But all in the atmosphere, this is going right now. And the volume isn't very good here, but every time that pulses like that, you can actually hear a static burst. Oh, there was a nice one on the river. That was a strong, that was probably a thunderclap. All right, very cool, guys. More videos soon.